Law relating to transfer of suits. The Code of Civil Procedure, CPC, 1908, provides the legal framework for the transfer of suits from one court to another. This mechanism is essential to ensure the efficient and just disposal of cases. Provisions governing transfer of suits. The primary provisions related to the transfer of suits are contained in Sections 24 and 25 of the CPC. Section 24 empowers the High Court and District Courts to transfer or withdraw suits, appeals, or proceedings from subordinate courts under certain circumstances. These circumstances include transfer to a more suitable court. If a court deems another court to be more suitable for trying or disposing of a case, it can transfer it. Withdrawal for disposal by a higher court. A higher court can withdraw a case from a subordinate court and dispose of it itself. Retransfer to the original court. After withdrawal, a case can be retransferred to the original court for trial or disposal. Section 25 grants the Supreme Court the power to transfer suits, appeals, or proceedings from a high court in one state to a high court in another state, or to itself, in the interest of justice. Grounds for transfer. While the CPC doesn't explicitly enumerate grounds for transfer, the courts have interpreted these provisions broadly. Common grounds for transfer include impartial administration of justice, to ensure a fair trial in the face of potential bias or prejudice. Convenience of parties, if the transfer is in the interest of convenience for the parties involved. Efficient disposal of cases, to expedite the judicial process. Transfer of related cases, to consolidate related cases for efficient handling. Procedure for transfer. The procedure for transferring a suit typically involves the following steps. 1. Application. A party interested in the transfer files an application before the appropriate court. 2. Notice. Notice of the application is served on all parties concerned. 3. Hearing. The court hears arguments from all parties involved. 4. Order. The court passes an order allowing or rejecting the transfer application. Important considerations. Discretionary power. The power to transfer suits is discretionary, and the court must exercise it judiciously. Effect of transfer. The transfer of a suit doesn't affect the substantive rights of the parties. Time limit. There is no specific time limit for filing a transfer application, but it's generally advisable to file it at the earliest opportunity. In conclusion, the transfer of suits is a crucial tool for ensuring the efficient and fair administration of justice. The CPC provides the necessary framework for this process, while the courts have developed guidelines for its application. Would you like to delve deeper into a specific aspect of suit transfer, such as the grounds for transfer or the procedure involved?